Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So as you know that the One UI 7 update is now available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but there's another update also now available after the stable update. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So there was a lock screen turning off delay bug with the One UI 7 update, and I hope that with the new update they will fix that. As you can see, when I will lock my phone, it will take few seconds to completely lock. Now to check the update, you just have to simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on software update, and from here you have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see that a new update is available of 441 MBs in size with the security patch level of April 1st 2025. If we talk that what's new, so the device stability improvement and some new or enhanced features are there to improve the bugs and fixes. So first of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you will have to simply install this update. So this is a 441 MBs in update size. So once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply tap on install now to complete the installation process. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. So now I will tap on install now, and this installing process might take a while, so you will have to wait over here. So I will quickly fast forward this part of the video during this installation process. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. So the update is finally installed on my device, and as you can see now, when I will check for the new update, it will say that your device is up to date with the latest version, with the latest 441 MBs of update after the stable One UI 7 update. But sadly the lock screen delay is still there and it is not fixed yet. And it is quite irritating as well, but if you want to see a quick fix for this, the link will be mentioned in the description for that video. I have already made a video on that, so you can check out that video to fix this lock screen delay. And that's a wrap for today's video. Also let me know in the comment section that are you also getting this delay of lock screen on your device or not, and have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.